Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Here is today's kanji. It is read chichi or fu in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means father. It has 4 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like fu. On its own, it is usually chichi. 2 crossing hands of the one who provides, the father. Now, let's write it. 4 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Chichi means father. Otousan means dad. And fubo means parents. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Go read majiru to mix. Bung read boom text. Notice the small differences. So that's chichi, father. 4 strokes. Read chichi or fu. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.